Thermostat Wi-Fi connectivity issues can totally mess with your home comfort, but fixing them is way easier than you think. So, first off, if your thermostat keeps losing connection to Wi-Fi, try resetting both your router and the thermostat itself. Sometimes they just need a quick refresh to start talking again. Make sure your thermostat's firmware is up to date too, because outdated software often causes glitches. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength where the thermostat is installed. If it's weak, moving the router closer or adding a Wi-Fi extender can help big time. Also, double check that your network settings haven't changed, like your password or the Wi-Fi name. If your router uses dual bands, connect the thermostat to the 2.4 GHz band, since many smart devices don't do well with 5 GHz. Another thing is to avoid too many devices on your network at once, because overcrowding can slow down connections. And if all else fails, factory resetting the thermostat might clear out any stubborn bugs blocking the connection. One of the most common mistakes with thermostat Wi-Fi problems is ignoring firmware updates. This can cause compatibility issues, and the fix is just hitting update in the settings. Another frequent issue is placing the thermostat too far from the router or behind thick walls, which weakens the Wi-Fi signal. Moving either device or adding a Wi-Fi extender usually solves that. Lastly, many people forget to check if their network password or settings have changed, so make sure your thermostat login details match your current Wi-Fi info to keep things smooth. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find reliable local contractors for fixes like these smart thermostat problems without the headache of endless searching. It also connects contractors with real job opportunities, making it easier for everyone to get their home projects done right.